here's my story of how I started my scarf business. Well, I decided that I want to sell scarves and I need to sell scarves. I have no idea how to design a scarf. I have no idea how to sell a scarf. Do people even wear scarves? And I would just let all these questions roll around in my head there. I was obsessed with these questions. How am I going to do this? I want to do this. And then through one of my other businesses, someone came through the door and we got to talking right away, and turned out that this person knew a lot about fabric, having things made, selling them. And that was just an incredible coincidence to me. And he gave me lots of great advice on how to get started. And he was the person that said, you need to place your first order. And me just pressing that button to place that order, to spend that first amount of investment in my scarf business was such a tough hurdle for me. And to have somebody else say, it's time to press the button, was really a powerful move, because I don't know if I would have done it on my own. I don't know if I would have pressed that button. I think I'd still be sitting here today going, I wish I could sell scarves. And I guess that's the reason why I'm talking to you about all of this. Oh no. Hey, no. Okay, hold on. I should have known that was going to happen. I was just trying to be decorative. Now I've got a cat statue behind me. Okay. No. Oh, goodness. Okay. So I think that's why I'm here talking to you is, if you've got something rolling around in your head that you're kind of obsessed with, but you don't really have the answers to, how am I going to get there? I have a goal. I have no idea how I'm going to get there. I just want to encourage you to keep your eye on the goal, and you don't need to know how you're going to get there, but you do need to take inspired action toward your goals. That's the key. Keep your eye on the goal, take actions toward the goal every day. And there's all sorts of kismet in between that will help you get there, but you can't anticipate what it is. You can't really plan it out. I'm not saying don't have a business plan. I'm saying attempt a business plan and take inspired action. And then also use the kismet that happens. Is kismet the right word? Use the serendipity that happens. And take it in with your business plan. Take inspired action. And when I say business plan, it could mean anything. Like I said earlier, it could mean getting yourself fit, or changing what you wear, writing that book, or starting that business. So I just wanted to be the person that told you that it's time to press the button. It's time to make that one move toward the thing you are obsessed with doing. And don't worry about how you're going to get there, because lots of great things will happen in between. Why not you? That's something I have to ask myself all the time, because you could ask the opposite. Why me? Why would I deserve that goodness? But I think what you really need to do is ask yourself, why not you? And I'm about to say something really not very nice, and it's going to be up on the internet forever. But it's something that inspires me every day, okay? Oh, the kitten's behind me. Whenever I'm doubting myself, Whenever I'm doubting myself or that something's possible, I always think to myself, dumber people have done it. Dumber people have succeeded at this. I might not be the smartest, but dumber people have done it. That's not nice at all, is it? I don't care. It's inspiring to me. Take whatever's inspiring to you and pin that to your Pinterest board and push that button today. Push the button and take your first step of inspired action towards your goal. Let me know what you think about what I said and how you are using this in your daily life to reach your goals, or how you're going to start reaching your goals, or what your goals are. Just let's talk. Let's hang out. Post a comment. If you feel inspired by this content, you could always become a member of this channel. That's something else you could do. You could visit my store. There's lots of ways you can support this channel and this kind of content. I'll see you soon.